Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nashwa Nadira Hidayat, and today I want to review an academic book called Assessing Speaking. This book is very useful, especially for English education students, teachers, and anyone who wants to learn more about speaking assessment and language testing. At first, I thought this book would be very difficult and full of confusing theories. But actually, the explanations are quite clear and organized. The writer explains speaking assessment step by step so the readers can understand why assessing speaking is more complicated than it looks. Okay, in this book, the writer explained that speaking is not only about grammar or pronunciation. Speaking is an interactive activity that depends on context, situation, topic, and the people involved in communication. So, because of that, speaking assessment needs careful planning and clear criteria. The book also explains that speaking tests cannot be made randomly. Tasks in speaking assessment must match the purpose of the test. Different tasks can influence students' performance, confidence, and difficult level. Also, even scoring results. Okay, that's why task design is very important in speaking assessment. So, besides that, this book explains different speaking tasks and how they are used in assessment. The writer also discussed speaking skills and rating system used to evaluate students' speaking ability. So, speaking assessment isn't only based on opinion or feeling, but also use clear criteria such as fluency, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and also interaction. Okay. Another interesting thing in this book is the explanation about language ability theories and how does theories help teachers create speaking tests. Yes. Even though this part is a little academic, it helps readers understand the connection between theory and real assessment practice. The writer also explains how speaking tests are developed, starting from making tasks, making test specification until creating speaking tests. So, before making a speaking test, teachers need to decide what skill they want to assess and how the assessment should be done fairly. Nah, so one important point from this book is reliability and validity in speaking assessment. Because speaking in interaction and unpredictable, examiners need proper training and clear scoring systems to make the assessment consistent, fair, and accurate. So, in my opinion, this book very informative and helpful, especially for me. The explanations are detailed, systematic, and strongly relate to real teaching situations. So, after reading this book, I realized that speaking assessment isn't just about giving scores, but also about understanding communication and evaluating students fairly. Okay, I think this book is highly recommended for university students, especially English education students like us. Also, there's future teachers, researchers, or anyone interested in language assessment. Even though some parts are theoretical, the book gives many useful insight about how speaking tests are designed and evaluated professionally. Overall, I really recommend this book because it helps readers understand speaking assessment more deeply and academically. That's all for my review. Okay, thank you very much for your attention and also for watching my video. And then, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.